Hi, Dan and Douglas. This is Kyle Jorgensen. I got Danny sitting here too. I'm just going over a brief explanation of this smart sheet that we just shared with you. Now, our purpose of this smart sheet is communication and to help keep everybody organized. And you're busy. We want to do the best we can to help you, get this machine in and get it installed and um, into production and making money for you. So I'll just quickly go through it. I've got a little bit at the top here, some questions. You guys have got editing privileges. So if you got a question, kind of a sounding board, you can add attachments here. There's also notes here, that'll give us a time and date, that kind of thing, between the two of us. Also got logistics, our contacts, your primary contacts with RMT, that kind of thing. We've got a Gantt chart going on here for ship times and that kind of thing. We'll be adding some more information here in the next little while. Warranty, service contacts. As we get going, we'll have who's going to be our service contact on site in charge of making sure the machine gets installed correctly. That kind of stuff. Dates again for Gantt. You can also add pictures in here if you wanted. It's just a matter of you can add it's basically just a spreadsheet, but we can add lines, insert pictures. We'll have a lot more information we'll put in here in the next little bit. Documentation, just kind of storage, keeping stuff organized as we go. Financial, and some info storage. But just take a look at it if you get time and kind of let us know what you think. If you'd like any changes, we're open to, you probably got some good ideas how we get changes and where it'll work better for you. We have no problem with that. Just let us know. But we appreciate you, and we look forward to getting these in. Thank you.